Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ao Oni Pillar Chase 2. First, let's cover the basic controls. Use the arrow keys to move your character and the spacebar to interact with objects. Your main goal is to collect all 4 gems scattered across the map while skillfully evading the relentless Ao Oni. Staying hidden is key to survival in this thrilling chase. Pillars are your best friends in this game. They are crucial for survival. When the Ao Oni is nearby, quickly move behind a pillar to break its line of sight. This will make you temporarily invisible to it. Pay close attention to its patrol routes and anticipate its next move to plan your escape effectively. Collecting the 4 gems requires a smart strategy. Try to grab gems located in less patrolled areas first. Always plan your path to each gem, considering the Ao Oni's current position. Sometimes, you might need to make a quick dash or use a pillar as a temporary distraction to snatch a gem that's in a more dangerous spot. For advanced play, always listen for the subtle sound cues that signal the Ao Oni's approach. These audio warnings can give you precious seconds to react. Practice your quick reflexes for sudden evasions and tight escapes. Once you've collected all 4 gems, you've successfully completed the challenge and won the game. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.